Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Air smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Basically, if you want to use your own image or picture as a watch face. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Mibro Fit application on our phone. In the application, let's tap on Equipment. Here, scroll down and find the option called Custom Watch Face. Tap on it. And right here, we have this big plus button. Tap on it. Allow the permission for the camera. And now you should see the file manager. You can browse through the files. And you can also tap on the camera option to open the camera app. So you can take a photo with the camera and use it as a watch face, or select the photo from your phone by basically scrolling through this list and finding the photo you want to use as a watch face. For example, this one. So select the photo, then tap on this icon right here to confirm the selection, tap on Apply, and now we can crop the photo. Basically, whatever is gonna be in this highlighted circle is gonna be on our watch face, and we can move around, zoom in or zoom out, so make it bigger or smaller. This is too much. Let's zoom out a little. This works a little. Oh, you just grab it from the corner. Oh, okay, that's how it works. You don't pinch and pinch out, you just grab it by the corner. Okay, so we're gonna zoom out a little. We can move it around. Okay, and once you're done cropping the image, tap on Crop. And here we have a preview of our watch face. Now, we can tap on Style option right here to change the style of the clock, like this. And we can also tap on Position to change the position of the clock. We have top, middle, and bottom of the screen. Once you're done, tap on Installation. And once the watch face is done installing, it's gonna be applied on our watch, as you can see. And that's how you set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.